Today, we'll be making roast leg of lamb with rosemary and garlic. All the ingredients and measurements will be down below. First, with our leg of lamb, pat dry with paper towels. Then we'll coat both sides of the lamb with olive oil. Give it a nice rub. Then add in generous amounts of ground black pepper. Then we'll prepare the rest of our ingredients. Cut the garlic cloves into thirds. Then we'll mix with rosemary and some ground black pepper. Now back over to the lamb, pierce the leg about 2 centimeters deep with a sharp knife. Then we'll insert the garlic and rosemary into each hole. Do the same for the other side. For extra flavor, we'll top with additional salt, rosemary, and garlic. Cover and we'll let this marinate overnight. Before we roast the leg of lamb, I've also included celery and carrots in the base. Add in some water or broth to help it cook. Then we'll place our lamb onto the rack. Bake at 400 for an hour and a half or until the internal temperature reaches 135. After it's baked, let it set for 15 minutes before slicing. After 15 minutes, slice and serve. This recipe will go well with a nice gravy or any sauce of your choice. Enjoy!